So let's just call it product creation. And in that whole process, there are, of course, designers, there are developers, there are product owners, lots of different stakeholders. The big benefit for all of these folks boils down to what I'd call communication fidelity. A developer is going to get a better idea of what the designer actually meant. Instead of it just being sort of a rough wireframe, there's an interactive prototype. Designers are going to get a better sense of then what developers are implementing. It's like having a shared source of truth that's actually visible, that you can interact with, as opposed to just words describing the thing. What is contained in the design is just a huge benefit across the board. Having a design that you intend and it kind of trickling through the system, plop, 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 and at the end comes out something that's like, it sort of looks like what we intended, but it's not quite right. Going back to square one is costly and is a pain, and all of that is vastly improved if you have that integrated collaboration between all of these stakeholders and all these teams.